Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to stitch multiple image files all at once in Windows and Mac computers. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you. So I have two different image files, so let me open it. So you can see here this one is one image, and let me show you the other image. So you can see, so in order to stitch these different image files all at once, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Auto Stitch. On the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Now here you will see a download option for Windows, and for Mac version you can get the older version. So I'll be leaving the download link for the Mac computers on my video description, so you can click there and download it for your respective Mac operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download directly from here. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to extract the zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now you'll see the second file is the application. Just double click on it. So now you can see this kind of user interface. So now just click on this folder icon. Now select the image file where you have saved. Now just select all the image files that you want to stitch and click on open. Wait for a few seconds. So you can see, within a few seconds, it's stitching all the images all at once. So you can see here. And if you want to customize more, then you can just click on this application settings option, and you can customize the different output size, blending options, interface options, advanced options. So you can check out by yourself. So by using this application named as Auto Stitch, you can easily stitch multiple image files all at once in Windows and Mac computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.